You're probably living under a rock if you haven't watched the video of our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi gifting a packet of Melody to the Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni.
Prime Minister Modi brought us a gift, a very, very good toffee.
Melody.
Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are discussing what the nation is discussing about our Prime Minister gifting a packet of Melody chocolates and what it means from a marketing perspective. Obviously, internet connected the dots. It was Melanie and Melody, but it really was a very playful, natural and a very content friendly moment that had happened. It instantly turned into memes edits. Why it worked was because it was not scripted or planned out. It was extremely instantaneous and they laughed at it. Instead of a political interaction, this was a playful banter. It had familiarity, it had a cultural reference, and it showcased both of their personalities. And this natural thing is what the internet connects with very quickly. This is where this internet moment got really very interesting. Melody chocolate is absolute nostalgia for millennials and people before that. It was a 1 rupee chocolate. It had a beautiful jingle. Melody had chocolatey, but the current generation hardly knew about it. Today, after this particular moment, it is the talk of the nation. But this is accidental marketing at its best because people suddenly started searching what the Melody chocolate was. The younger generation started finding out what this chocolate meant to people. Otherwise, there were so many reshares with no influencer marketing, no rebranding strategy, and no money spent. This has created history in the world of marketing. Whether it is chai conversations, local Indian references, or cultural conversations, Prime Minister Modi has always put India in the forefront. This has made global political interactions feel casual, Indian, and internet friendly. Which is why people didn't just watch the reel. They participated in it by sharing, interacting, and this is exactly what internet ready marketing is in today's day and time. The biggest lesson here is sometimes unplanned marketing can give you the best results. What this Melody incident has done is put a brand that was only known to India on a global scale. India as a country has become part of the global conversation, and Prime Minister Modi has again become more relatable and part of Indian people's conversations. So if you've liked this video till here, please hit the like button, subscribe to us, and thank you for watching.